Hi friends, you won't believe this. Can you imagine that this is our last letter in the alphabet? And it's also the last letter we need to learn how to write. So let's get started. You all know name goes on your paper. I have my tall letters are tall, my small letters are small, and my name does not have any letters, the Dip Underground. Okay, you know by now the writing tools you need, these two here, and we are going to trace the bold letters. Now Z is like zebra, and I also think it's like zigzag, because when you make it, you're going to do one stroke. You're going to go across the top, slant back, and then again. Lowercase looks just the same, except it's small. Across the top, zigzag back, and down again. So watch how I do this with my zigzag. Across the top, zig, zag. Same with the small. Across the top, and a zig and a zag. Zigzag. Now, I'm going to start here at the dots, and it shows me one little arrow. That is because a Z is made with one stroke. So go across, back down, and that's it. So it's like this, across and a zigzag. Cross, zigzag. I kind of like to say zigzag. I think it's a fun word to say. Cross, zigzag. Reminds me of the letter Z because it starts with the Z sound. Okay, cross, zig, zag. Cross, zig, zag. Here we go. Trace one more. And the pencil. Crossed, zigzag. Crossed, zigzag. I never lift my pencil on the letter Z. Okay, uppercase is done. Now, lowercase will trace, and when we trace, you will notice that it's the same exact letter in the same exact formation, except it's little. Z here is uppercase from the sky to the ground. The lowercase z starts at the fence and sits on the ground. So here we go, across, zigzag. Across, zigzag. Across, zigzag. Here we go again. Okay, one more to trace. There we go. And now I think I'm ready to do it on my own. So I'll switch to my pencil, across, zigzag. Nice and slow. Nice and easy. One more to trace. These are actually good because I find myself going faster and faster when I get to the end. And when I have to trace, it slows me down again. Kind of gives me a little break and a reminder to slow down and do my very best work. Crossed, zig, zag. Crossed, zig, zag. I never lift my pencil. And one more letter. And this is a very special letter because this means we have completed all of the letters of the alphabet. Before we're done, I need to go back and select my favorite letters that I think look the best. One in each row. Okay. And we have completed all of the letters in the alphabet. Girls and boys, I am so proud of you. Now, when we do our writing, I hope that you remember how to make all of your letters. Great job.